In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to amend your federal tax return. Let's get started. So first, if you need to correct any information on your filed return, you'll need to submit an amendment. If you are using TurboTax Online, start by going to Tax Home, then scroll down to your tax returns and documents, and select the tax year you want to amend. Next, click on the drop-down that says Amend Return and choose Amend using TurboTax Online. From there, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. Make sure the necessary changes to return and answer all remaining questions until the amendment process is complete. If you are using TurboTax Desktop, make sure you open the correct version for the tax year you are amending. For example, if you are fixing a 2025 return, you must use the 2025 version of the software. Once opened, select Amend a Return after it was filed and accepted by the IRS. Then, confirm that you have already filed your return by selecting Yes and choose the option that best describes the situation under Tell us a little more about your amend situation. After that, go to What do you need to change on your return and click Update next to the section you need to fix. Continue through the prompts, make your corrections and complete the process. And that's it. That's how you can easily amend your federal tax return using TurboTax. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.